Soberlink gives you the opportunity to really lengthen, I believe, that runway of your sobriety. I'm on the twice a day routine. I'm scheduled for 8 o'clock in the morning and 8 o'clock in the evening. I'll get a text message about 15 minutes before I'm scheduled to use it. I will go ahead and take the device out of the case, insert the mouthpiece, open the application on my phone, blowing for 4 or 5 seconds, and then the test is complete. I believe it's about 30 seconds to register, and it'll pop up with the BAC. The people that I've selected to receive those tests, in my case my wife, will receive those tests via email from Soberlink. So twice a day, every single day for 7 days a week, it will show her whether those tests were compliant, non-compliant, or missed. I knew from a very early age that my brain works a little bit differently than most, in regards to alcohol. So I unfortunately was so young that I didn't think much of it. So getting sober to me was a long time coming. I had this beautiful family. I was recently married and recently had a beautiful little girl, and I knew that I needed to make a change. I was, presented the opportunity to do so, and I jumped on that opportunity. I took it one day at a time, and I continue to take it one day at a time. But getting sober for me has been the greatest thing that I've ever done. My life has changed immeasurably. Soberlink has really given me the opportunity, and sobriety in general, has given me the opportunity to be there for my family, to be able to show up and to be present for my wife and beautiful daughter. Getting sober, of course, is the hard part, but Soberlink gives you the opportunity to really lengthen, I believe, that runway of your sobriety. And the reason that I trusted Soberlink is because it came highly recommended from all of my clinicians in rehab and treatment. So I know that there are a lot of other options out there, but Soberlink was always the one that was suggested to me the most. I think the reliability of Soberlink is very beneficial. You're able to essentially just have everybody in your life, you're able to make them all aware of your sobriety on a consistent basis without much time or effort. So the ease of using Soberlink made everything really simple. So that really sets Soberlink, I believe, apart from the rest of the competition. My relationships with my loved ones have changed drastically, all for the better. Largely because a lot of my loved ones, I was able to include in the process. I was able to register them, to receive these notifications on a weekly and monthly basis from Soberlink, and having that accountability in place, I think, was really important for me. But it was also really important for those around me and for those relationships that I really needed to mend.